Want to add a rental Tesla to your app? It's designed to be temporary and secure. In this video, we'll show you how. First, adding a rental Tesla involves connecting it temporarily through Tesla's Vehicle API, using the Vehicle Identification Number, VIN, and a one-time authentication code from the rental company. You'll use the Tesla mobile app, available on iOS and Android, to manage this connection. Make sure your app is updated to version 4.25 or later for optimal performance. We'll guide you through the steps. To connect your rental Tesla, start by opening the Tesla app and looking for the Add Vehicle option, which you can find under your profile or account settings. Next, scan the QR code provided by the rental company, or manually enter the authentication code that's usually found in your rental agreement. This process generates a secure token that links your phone to the rental vehicle, enabling access. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your device to establish a seamless connection with the vehicle. The connection uses Bluetooth Low Energy and Tesla's cellular network if equipped, granting you access for driving, charging, and basic vehicle controls. Rental Teslas are added as guest or temporary profiles. This means the connection isn't permanent. It's a soft link that grants access for the duration of your rental. The car will appear in your app alongside your other Tesla vehicles, if you have any. Some features like full self-driving, FSD, or remote start might be restricted by the rental company. Removing the rental Tesla from your app is crucial for security. It prevents unauthorized access to the vehicle after your rental period ends and ensures the next user can connect safely. Step 1. Open the Tesla app on your phone and select the rental vehicle you want to remove from the list of connected vehicles. Step 2. Once selected, navigate to the vehicle's settings. This is usually accessed through a gear icon or settings menu within the vehicle details. Step 3. In the settings menu, look for the Remove Vehicle option. Tap it to initiate the removal process. Step 4. Confirm your decision when the app prompts you. This action immediately revokes all access to the vehicle, ensuring security. The rental vehicle has been successfully removed. This prevents any unauthorized access post-rental and allows the next user to connect securely. Tesla's rental system includes automatic logout features to ensure security. The rental vehicle profile is designed to expire automatically after 24 to 48 hours of inactivity or when the rental period ends. This temporary nature prevents unauthorized long-term use and requires users to re-authenticate if needed. Security is a key focus for Tesla rentals. When adding a rental vehicle to the app, mandatory two-factor authentication is required. This process verifies your identity using both something you know, like a password, and something you have, such as your phone, for receiving verification codes. Here's how two-factor authentication works. The diagram shows the flow, where your initial login requires a password, followed by a second verification step using a code sent to your trusted device. This dual-layer approach protects against unauthorized access. In practice, this appears in your Tesla app or device settings as shown here. Two-factor authentication is turned on, and you can get verification codes for signing in. Tesla's recent updates include biometric options like fingerprint or facial recognition for even more secure access. Underlying these features is Tesla's robust security technology, including end-to-end encryption and token-based access systems. This ensures that your rental connection remains secure throughout the process. If you're experiencing issues adding or removing your rental Tesla, first ensure your app is updated. Tesla's over-the-air updates address connectivity glitches and improve compatibility. Next, check your Bluetooth connection. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your device and the Tesla app can connect to the vehicle. If you're in a remote area, cellular connectivity might be limited. The app relies on both Bluetooth and cellular connections for optimal performance. If problems persist after trying these solutions, contact Tesla support or the rental company for further assistance. Experts in the electric vehicle industry view app-based rentals as a game changer for democratizing access to electric vehicles. This approach makes EVs more accessible to a wider audience by removing barriers like high upfront costs. Tesla is actively expanding its API access for rentals, allowing seamless integration with third-party applications. This enables EV hails through services like ride-sharing apps, making rental vehicles part of a broader mobility ecosystem. Current trends in the industry highlight increased focus on cybersecurity enhancements for app-based rentals. This includes advanced encryption methods and proactive threat detection to protect user data and vehicle access. Future trends point to AI-driven personalization in app updates, where the system learns user preferences to provide customized rental recommendations and seamless experiences. Looking ahead, Tesla aims for 50% of all rentals to be completely app-only by 2030, representing a significant shift toward fully digital vehicle access and rental experiences. Looking ahead, expect increased integration with third-party apps like Uber or Lyft. This will allow seamless booking and access to Tesla rentals directly through popular ride-sharing platforms. AI-driven personalization may suggest rentals based on your data, learning from your preferences and usage patterns to recommend the perfect Tesla for your needs. Enhanced virtual reality previews of vehicles could become available, letting you explore Tesla models virtually before committing to a rental. These advancements will further streamline the rental experience and promote EV adoption by making electric vehicles more accessible and appealing to everyone.